Hola guys, karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. My name is Yuni Motoni in case you're new here. And guys, I had missed you so much. But at least I'm back and I'm back with another recipe. And I'm going to be showing you how to prepare scotched eggs. So tune in, follow the procedure for good results, and let me take you through the ingredients. Okay guys, so this will be our ingredients, and with me here I have some 3 sausages, I have 4 eggs, and I also have some breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to set aside 2 eggs, and then I'm going to be boiling 2 other eggs. So let's do this. So guys, in an empty sufuria I'm going to add in some water. And then I'm going to drop in the eggs. So in this case I'm going to make sure that my eggs are fully covered by the water. Yep. Yes guys, so let's wait for the eggs to boil and cook well inside. So guys, here are my 2 boiled eggs. I had dipped them in some cold water so that they can cool down. Yeah. So guys, with these 3 sausages I'm only going to be working with 2, so I'm just going to eliminate 1. And with the 2 others I'm going to skin them off. So guys, as you can see, I've already skinned off the sausages. So guys, the next step is to peel off the eggs, the boiled eggs. So guys, here is what I have. Then I'm going to be transferring our breadcrumbs into this. So guys, I'm just going to pick one of the sausages. I'm going to flatten it a little bit. Fold it into 2. Then I'm going to cover one of the eggs with this sausage. Is it to cover or to coat? Yeah, whatever guys. Yeah guys, as you can see my hands are a bit sticky, so I'm going to grease them with some cooking oil to minimize the stickiness. So guys, I'm going to repeat the same procedure with the other egg. So guys, I'm going to beat in one of the other eggs that I set aside in this empty dish. Then I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, and I'm going to whisk. So meanwhile guys, I'm going to be cooking oil on the heat to heat up. So guys, I'm going to be picking one of the coated eggs with the sausages, and then I dip it into the beaten eggs. And then I finish up with coating it with the breadcrumbs. And that's what I've done with the other egg. So guys, as you can see, our cooking oil is already hot. I'm going to be dipping in the eggs into the oil. So guys, the eggs are ready, and I'm going to be draining them off from the cooking oil. So guys, here are the end results of the scotched eggs. Yeah.